Seafood, prized for its rich nutrients and irresistibly fresh taste, has long been a favorite on many dining tables. However, for some individuals, seafood may also conceal subtle health risks. This guide will explore seafood's nutritional benefits and potential hazards, detail how to select the freshest catch, explain safe cooking techniques, and offer balanced pairing tips, ensuring that every bite supports your health as much as it pleases your palate. 1. Seafood nutrition and health warnings. 1. A treasure trove of nutrients. Seafood is nature's gift. It boasts high-quality protein essential for maintaining your immune system and the proper functioning of your body. In addition, fish and shellfish provide abundant unsaturated fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, which are valuable for heart and brain health because they help regulate cholesterol and support cognitive function. Seafood is also rich in an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, calcium, iron, and selenium, all of which contribute to balanced nutrition. 2. Special considerations for certain individuals. Despite its high nutritional value, seafood isn't ideal for everyone. Those with allergies, some protein structures found in seafood can trigger an immune reaction, leading to symptoms like skin rashes, difficulty breathing, or even severe allergic responses. For instance, Emily, a longtime seafood lover, once experienced sudden chest tightness at a family gathering after eating shellfish. That incident necessitated an urgent visit to the emergency room to address her allergic reaction. Gout sufferers, seafood is typically high in purines, which the body converts into uric acid. Excessive uric acid can cause painful joint flare-ups. John, who used to enjoy hearty seafood feasts, saw recurring gout attacks until his doctor advised him to control his purine intake, a change that eventually alleviated his discomfort. Individuals with delicate digestion, the naturally cool properties of seafood can sometimes lead to bloating or diarrhea, especially in older adults, children, or those with already sensitive digestive systems. Mr. Smith experienced ongoing stomach discomfort when he overindulged in seafood, prompting him to modify his diet to better suit his digestion. Patients with thyroid issues, certain seafood items are rich in iodine. For people with hyperthyroidism, consuming high iodine products might worsen their condition. It's important, therefore, for those with thyroid concerns to carefully read labels and choose options with lower iodine content. By understanding both the nutritional benefits and the potential risks, you are better equipped to appreciate that while seafood is delicious, its consumption should be adapted to your individual health needs. 2. How to select fresh and safe seafood. Freshness is the cornerstone of quality when it comes to seafood. Only carefully selected, fresh products can lock in nutrients and flavor while minimizing the risks associated with improper storage. Here are several practical tips for choosing the best seafood. 1. Fish selection guidelines. Examine the eyes. The eyes of a fresh fish should be bright, clear, and slightly bulging. If the eyes appear cloudy or sunken, it's a strong indicator that the fish is not fresh. Smell test. Freshly caught fish should emit a mild, briny scent reminiscent of the ocean, not a strong, sour, or ammonia-like odor. Touch and feel. Gently press the fish flesh. It should quickly spring back if the meat is firm and fresh. For example, Chris always gives the fish a gentle squeeze at his local market to ensure it retains its firm texture and hasn't been on display for too long. 2. Selecting crab, shellfish, and shrimp. Crabs. Look for crabs with uniformly colored and smooth shells, and a plump, white underside. A gentle squeeze of the claws should elicit quick movement, indicating liveliness and recent capture. Shellfish tips. Fresh shellfish typically have tightly closed shells or only a minimal gap. When you tap the shell, it should close immediately, a simple test of its vitality and quality. Identifying fresh shrimp. Seek shrimp with translucent, glossy bodies that move actively and have firm flesh. If the shrimp appear dull or the meat feels limp, it's best to choose another option. Always purchase seafood from reputable sources and choose products that appear naturally fresh, without excessive artificial packaging. Remember, the safety and freshness of your ingredients are fundamental to both their taste and your health. 3. The art of cooking seafood safely. Selecting the best seafood is only half the battle. How you cook it is equally important in preserving its natural flavor and nutrients while ensuring safety. Here are some guidelines to help you prepare seafood that's both nutritious and delicious. 1. Diverse and healthy cooking methods. Steaming or boiling. Cooking seafood gently at low temperatures helps lock in nutrients and produces tender, succulent results. Try adding a few slices of ginger or a splash of lemon juice during steaming. These ingredients not only counteract the inherent coolness of seafood but also help reduce any fishy aroma. Simmering. Soups and stews made with seafood can be wonderfully soothing. For example, Mrs. Johnson, a retired teacher, regularly prepares a savory seafood and pumpkin stew that not only nourishes her but also wins praise from her family for its balanced flavor and health benefits. Quick stir-frying. For those with busy schedules, a quick stir-fry is a great option. Just be sure not to overcook. A high-heat, short-duration cook can ensure that the seafood is thoroughly done while still retaining its natural juices. 2. Preventing cross-contamination. Always adhere to the separate raw and cooked rule. Use dedicated cutting boards, knives, and utensils for raw seafood to prevent any cross-contamination with ready-to-eat items. After cooking, promptly wash all kitchen tools and surfaces to eliminate any residues that might compromise food safety. 3. Ensure thorough cooking. While some culinary traditions celebrate lightly cooked seafood, thoroughly heating seafood is essential to combat harmful bacteria and parasites. Whether you're dealing with fish, shellfish, or shrimp, be sure to cook them to the appropriate internal temperature before serving. This simple step guarantees that your seafood is both safe and healthy. 4. Balanced diet, smart pairings for shared health. Even though seafood is a rich source of essential nutrients, pairing it with a variety of other foods is crucial for a truly balanced diet. Clever combinations help offset the natural coolness of seafood while enhancing flavor and nutritional value. 1. Incorporating fruits and vegetables. When cooking seafood, complement it with ample servings of fresh greens, mushrooms, or seasonal fruits. For example, pairing your main seafood dish with a vibrant salad of spinach and carrots not only adds a burst of color but also offers extra fiber and antioxidants, components that amplify the overall health value of your meal. 2. Balancing main and side dishes. For those who require proper dietary management over the long term, especially the elderly, combining seafood with complex carbohydrates is key. Choose low glycemic index options such as brown rice or oats as your staple, which deliver sustained energy and help offset any blood sugar spikes caused by seafood. 3. Moderating seasonings. While seasonings can transform a dish, over-relying on high-salt or high-fat sauces might undermine the health benefits of seafood. Instead, opt for natural flavor enhancers like lemon, mint, or basil to accentuate the genuine freshness of the seafood without overwhelming it. Embrace a healthier seafood lifestyle. From understanding the nutritional benefits and risks, through selecting the freshest catch, to employing safe cooking methods and smart pairings, every step in preparing seafood is an opportunity to support your overall health. Whether it's Emily's vigilance with allergies, John's dietary adjustments to reduce gout flare-ups, or Mr. Smith's mindful changes to ease his digestion, these real-life examples underscore that enjoying seafood safely requires both knowledge and attention to detail. By choosing trusted sources, adhering to strict food handling practices, and embracing varied yet simple culinary techniques, you can fully enjoy the ocean's bounty without compromising on safety. Equip yourself with these strategies, and let every meal be a celebration of health, flavor, and smart choices. Feel free to adapt any sections to better fit your audience or regional tastes. Enjoy your culinary adventures with confidence and care.